Hi everybody, thanks for joining. We'll wait for some more. Please let us know if the audio and the video is clear. So I think we have an audience. Let's get started. Namaskaram. Welcome to Shrews Eternity's exclusive live session. Today we have Preeti who will help us take us through the jewelry live. So we'll be showing you neck pieces and exclusive hand-picked jhumkas in today's session. So we'll start off with our jhumka collection first. People who would like to buy these jewelry, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description and the comment section. Please click on the link to look at all these jewelry post the live session is over. Until then, sit back and enjoy. So we'll start off with our jhumka collection. Yeah, that's going to be jhumka number 1. It's got a nice Gajalakshmi pattern. This jhumka is priced at 1580. Beautiful red stones. So that's how it looks. A beautiful red stone with gold balls in it. So this is priced at 1580. So we'll be showing you around 15 to 20 jhumkas in today's session and 15 to 20 neck pieces in today's session. People who would like to buy these earrings, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description and the comment section. Please click on the link to look at all these jewelry. So moving on, we have a very pretty 3 jhumkas. We have in red and green stones with beautiful pearls. So that is going to be the earring. It's got nice peacock design in it. As you can see, it's got a nice manga pattern along with 3 jhumkas. This is priced at 1480. Next. So next we have this jhumka again with very pretty Lakshmi in the top along with red stones. Beautiful balls in the end. This is priced at 1380, a very pretty jhumka. Priced at 1380. Next we have this very antique Chandbali design with red and green stones. Beautiful Lakshmi in the middle, as you can see. A very pretty earring. So that's how it looks. This is priced at 1180, 1180. Next we have a very pretty Kemp kind of a jhumka. A beautiful traditional pattern. Very pretty jhumka. Priced at 1280. This has got Kemp stones all over. So that's how it looks. This is priced at 1280. Next we have a Kemp stone jhumka again with beautiful floral pattern in the top. Very pretty balls in the end. So that's going to be the whole jhumka. This is priced at 980. 980. Next we have a very nice long jhumka. It's got a beautiful peacock in the top with multicolored stone work in the jhumki. Beautiful balls in the end. So that's going to be the jhumka. A very pretty one. This is priced at 1580. Next we have an AD jhumki. A nice long one with white stones and a very pretty peacock in the middle. As you can see, it's got white and red stones. Beautiful jhumki, priced at 880. Very, very affordable prices. Very pretty designs this time. Priced at 880. Next we have a Chandbali type with Lakshmi in it. As you can see, it's got beautiful Lakshmi along with red stones and floral patterns all over the earring. Beautiful round balls. This is priced at 1180. 1180. Moving on, we'll be showing you neck pieces. A beautiful Lakshmi earring. It's got nice balls all over. A gungru type of design all over along with Lakshmi Kasamalai. A very pretty elephant in the middle. So that is how it looks. A beautiful neck piece. And this is the jhumka. It comes with a elephant with Lakshmi design jhumka. This is priced at 3280. People who'd like to buy these jhumkas, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description. Click on the link to look at all these accessories and go ahead with your purchase. Next we have a nice long chain. It comes with a very pretty Mugappa design. A beautiful necklace with very traditional Mugappa designs on either sides with red and green stones. So that's going to be the neck piece. And it comes with a very nice matching jhumka. A beautiful matching jhumka with peacock. This is priced at 2380. 2380. Next we'll be showing you very beautiful long harem. This is priced at 3680. It's got a very nice pattern with green, white and red stones. A long harem. Beautiful one. So let me show you a closer look. So that's how it looks. It has nice peacock patterns along with manga, and that is going to be the earring. A beautiful earring with pearls. A very pretty one. Priced at 3680. People at Chennai can drop into our store, which is at number 27 Hindi Prachar Sabha Street, T Nagar. We are very close to Ponda Bazaar. We are 2 minutes away from Ponda Bazaar. Next we have this Lakshmi neck piece with very pretty pearls in the end. So that's going to be the neck piece. A beautiful one. And this comes with a nice Lakshmi earring along with pearls. So that's going to be the earring. This is priced at 2580. A beautiful one. Next we have a very simple neck piece. With nice kasamalai. It's got white and red stones. A beautiful neck piece. A very pretty one with peacocks again all over. And it comes with a matching earring. That's going to be the earring. A beautiful one. This is priced at 1380. Quite a simple and an elegant one. Next we have this Addigai pattern. Again a very pretty temple necklace pattern. It's got a nice red and green stones. Beautiful Addigai pattern. It comes with 3 pendants. The one in the middle is quite big and beautiful traditional temple pattern on either sides of the pendant. And it comes with a very nice earring, a matching earring. Priced at 1680. Next again we have this temple jewelry. Yeah, a beautiful temple jewelry as you can see with red stones. It comes with balls in the end of the pendant. A beautiful one. Yeah. So that's how it looks. A very, very pretty one. It has red, white and green stones along with balls. And it comes with a very nice matching earring. That's going to be the earring. A beautiful one. Priced at 3480. 3480. Next we have this Ghungru Lakshmi pattern. Priced at 1780. It's got a beautiful ball pattern. Yeah, Lakshmi all over as you can see. A beautiful neck piece. A very pretty one. And it comes with this matching earring. A very simple and an elegant earring. This is priced at 1780. 1780. Moving on, we have a very traditional kasamalai pattern. A beautiful kasamalai. Priced at 1180. A very nice long kasamalai. Yeah, so that's how it is. It's not a choker kind and it's not a harem. It is in between. It's a nice proper necklace. So that is how it is. And it comes with a very nice small jhumka, a beautiful jhumka, priced at 1180. 1180. Next we have an Addigai pattern again. priced at 1180. Very simple but very elegant design. So this has got a nice round pattern in the middle, as you can see, with pearls. Yeah, that is how it looks. A beautiful pendant. You get this design in a proper bridal jewelry. It comes with very pretty pearls in the end, and it has this matching earring. This is priced at 1180. Next we have a very nice necklace. It's a choker with pearls in the end. Very elegant design. White stones with red and green stones again, with beautiful pearls. So that is going to be the necklace. And it comes with a matching earring. That is the earring, a beautiful earring. This is priced at 1380. Very pretty one, priced at 1380. Manju, all these will be available post the live session is over. You got to wait till the live session is over and click on the link to look at all these jewelry and go ahead with your purchase. Sarla, we have cash on delivery for orders above 5,000. Hi everybody, thanks for joining. Next we have this long harem again with Kasamale design and a very pretty pendant, a beautiful pendant. So that's going to be the whole necklace, and it comes with a matching earring, a nice big earring. Yeah, that's going to be the earring. This is priced at 2280. A beautiful neck piece, a long harem, priced at 2280. Next we have a tiny choker, very cute. Green stone with pearls. It's got nice floral pattern all over. So that's going to be the choker. And it comes with this matching earring. Full green stones along with pearls. So that's going to be the earring. Priced at 1580. 1580. People at Chennai, drop into our store, which is at number 27 Hindi Prachar Sabha Street, T Nagar. We are 2 minutes away from Pond Bazaar. So all these jewelry will be up in the link that is posted in the comment section and the description. Click on the link to look at all these jewelry and go ahead with your purchase. We have free shipping and cash on delivery facility for orders above 5,000 within India. Next we have a very nice Kasamale pattern, a very traditional look-alike gold Kasamale pattern with red stones. A beautiful one. It comes with this matching jhumka. A very beautiful one. This is priced at 2280. 2280. Very elegant hand-picked ethnic jewelry. Next we have an Addigai pattern again. Priced at 1180. It's got a tiny pendants all over and a nice big pendant in the middle. So that's how it looks. It's a nice temple design. A temple jewelry design. A very pretty one, very simple but very elegant one. And that's going to be the matching earring. Priced at 1180. So that is it for today's session. Thank you so much everybody for joining. People who'd like to buy these jewelry, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description. Please click on the link to look at all these jewelry and go ahead with your purchase. So thank you so much everybody for joining. We'll catch you with our next live session very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and the link is up. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.